So this is the first case report in the Philippines published in PGH that
Mm,
documents death from vape use.
mm,
Uh, this is the patient CT scan. So imagine a normal, supposedly healthy young adult,
mm,
no family history, no comorbidities, no chronic disease like cancer or anything, and they have a pneumonia this bad. The lung is just supposed to be mostly black. So there are areas of the lung there that are normal. But when you see patches of white in area, especially towards the lower parts, that's when that's almost non-functioning part of the lung. And this patient manifested as heart attack for a 22-year-old male whose only vice was vaping. I usually
mm,
see this in my senior citizen patients
mm,
because they have a weakened immune system. They usually have already
mm.
diabetes. They have other problems, but here just because of vape, it's scary because it's like you inherited those 40 years earlier.